This is a 2006 Ford Mustang. Being that it's a 16 or 17-year-old car, it's usually a good idea to change out any kind of rubber components that you have, even if you don't think they've gone completely bad. Let me show you what I mean. See these two spots? That's where the engine mounts are located. I just took them out. And as you can see, they weren't leaking. You can't see any wet oil anywhere. That spot right there was from taking apart the power steering components and the brake fluid from the clutch. But I went ahead and took the original motor mounts out, changed them out because the car has, again, it's 2006, it's got about 150,000 miles on it. So again, they weren't clearly leaking, but check this one out. As soon as I took it out and flipped it over, it just started right as it was cracked, and then I pushed on it and it immediately started leaking. It was that close, but it hadn't actually started making a mess. That one was the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Originally they come with these plastic covers, dust shield, I guess. Here's the underside of the passenger side mount. You can see it's just about ready to go too. Hasn't quite gone yet, but it's just about there. I could probably put my finger on it and punch it through all the way. Anyway, just food for thought.